Hey YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel, Do You Know, to another soothing restoration journey. Today we have something truly special, the limited edition Gears of War 3, Xbox 360 console, facing the dreaded Red Ring of Death. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the calming sounds as we embark on a meticulous journey to breathe new life into this iconic piece of gaming history. We'll delicately disassemble the console, inspect every component, and employ do-you-know friendly techniques to revive it from the notorious red glow. Console inspection, disassembly begins, do-you-know cleaning session, thermal paste application. Reassembly and testing. Join me in this therapeutic adventure as we bring back the glory of the Gears of War 3 Xbox 360 console. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more restorations, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's rescue this limited edition gem from the Red Ring of Death together. Remember, it's not just a console, it's a piece of gaming history, and knowledge is power.